Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube series. Um, Today I'm going to share an episode 3 of our YouTube series. In this video, in previous video, I showed you how can you create a channel and a logo for your channel, the thumbnail and the description. So if you have not watched that video, just click on the right top corner button, you'll see a pop-up right there. In this video, I'm going to show you the content we are going to create. So I'm going to show you how can you create a content in the next video, but in this video I'm going to show you the actual content that we are going to create. So here is the content. As I named the channel as Slider, so our content will match the name of our channel. So this is just a slides in which there are info. So let me play this video. This is basically the 58 tallest building infographics. So number on 58, there is a name of that structure. Then I'm showing the country name, the height in meters, the height in feet, the year in which that structure was built, and the actual location of that structure. Like here in this case in Germany, it's in Wilberg, and the category of the structure, it's a loam building. So I'm going to play this video. You might not see the sliding animation, maybe due to the software issue, but the video itself is sliding. So I'm going to play this video. Okay, I'm going to stop here. So this is the content we are going to create in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.